Hey everyone, Molly here to answer your questions about life in Alaska. Priya from New York asks, how do you catch fish in Alaska? My friends in Anchorage are going fly fishing. Take a look.
Hi, Molly.
Today we were tying flies.
Richard is a fisherman, and he's teaching us how to make the flies. He even wrote some books about fly tying. We are looking at the books to learn the steps.
A fly is a thing you put on the end of a fishing line when you go fishing.
Different fish like to eat different bugs, so you should use different flies to catch them. I want to catch a rainbow trout, so the book says I should make an egg fly. I saw rainbow trout eat salmon eggs before. I'm gonna be using this pink yarn, so it looks like the same color of the salmon eggs.
I want to catch a silver salmon, so I made a woolly bugger. It's supposed to represent a leech. I'm going to use this chenille to make the body.
I want to catch a grayling, and the book says I should use a bead bug. I've caught fish before with a bead bug. A bead bug kind of looks like a mayfly. I'm going to use this yarn because it's the color of the mayfly.
Now what we need to do is put hooks into the vices, but be very careful when you do this, and always try to have an adult around because the hooks are really sharp. You take your yarn and you tie it on right here and you wrap it all the way to the bow.
This is the sparkle flashing for the legs. It's supposed to look like legs on a bug.
This is the woolly bugger I made, and this is the one Rich made.
Rainbow trout was seeing my egg and tried to eat it. Finally, we got to test the flies we made on the water. I hope I catch a lot of fish with my new fly.
Masip Joe, thanks for asking.